If you're thinking about the Atos credit card, then let's break it down. Rewards is that you can earn 3% cashback on dining, groceries, and gas, solid for everyday spending, plus 5% on travel booked through their portal. Annual fees is that it has no annual fee. Great, but watch out for a high 24.99% APR if you carry a balance. Its perks is that it has a free call insurance, which means you also have a airport lounge access 4 times a year and no foreign transaction fees, big win for travelers. Its downside is that it has a low sign up bonus compared to rivals, and customer service gets mixed reviews. The final verdict for this is that it is worth it if you pay in full monthly and want strong rewards. But if you need top tier benefits or carry debt, then you should leave it.